Welcome back. Upcoming singer Michael Lobo from Aldona has released a new album. His debut Konkani album is called Gopan Tuyo. He plans to release one more next year.
Michael hails from Aldona. After spending 15 years in Dubai, he has now decided to release his first Konkani album, Gopan Tuyo. Famed theatre personality Prince Jacob released his CD.
Kosbogli, a goinkar, 15 वर्सां दुबय आसा, तरी आसतना कोंकणी विसरूंक ना. पयलो अल्बम कोंकणींतल्यान काडलो म्हणून हें म्हाका अभिमानाची खबर. हो ताचो कोंकणी अल्बम म्हाकाय जाय ह्या संवसाराच्या पोंतार पावलोलो. सरभोंवतणी आख्ख्या संवसाराक हो गाजलेलो कारण संगीत हांवें आयकोंक ना. I can tell you, it will be much superior. बरें आसतलें.
आनी हांव देवाक आर्गां दितां. म्हाका म्हजें सपन आयज पुरें केलें देखून आनी हांव हाचे फुडें बरें आल्बम काडटलो म्हूण तुमकां भास दितां. म्हजो दुसरो कोंकणीन आल्बम नेक्स्ट इयर 2012 ऑलरेडी रेकॉर्डिंगाक गेल्लो आसा. I'll be releasing in end of 2012.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. The Goa River Marathon has just got bigger and better. Vasco Sports Club's event in association with NRB and Zuari Industries will be held on Sunday. The marathon will flag off from Baina Beach. Marathon runners from Kenya, Ghana, USA and other countries have confirmed their participation along with Indian runners like Sujay Thomas and Srinath S. Total prize money has been up to 6 lakh rupees. Prudent Media is the TV partner for the event.
After last year's successful first edition of the River Marathon, this year's event promises a mega challenge. Secretary of the Vasco Sports Club, Rakesh Unni, gave some vital details of the marathon.
The half marathon, we have Kenyan runners, 3 of them who are coming, and right now their visas under process, and there are some Kenyans and Ghanaians, Ethiopians also who are in the country, and they generally register during the next last 3 to 4 days. Last year also we got most of our international registrations just 2 to 3 days before the event. So we are expecting them to be here. Other than that, we have got runners from the United States, from France, from Vienna, Japan. These are the other countries. There are totally about 9 countries from where we are getting runners from.
Okay, sir. Any prominent athletes from India who will be participating?
From India, there is Mr. Sujay Thomas, who was won the Mysore Marathon, the Standard Chartered Marathon twice.
The corporate relay should coax office goers in Goa to leave their sedentary jobs behind and compete for glory.
The corporate relay actually it's a team event where there are 4 members per team. Each member has to run 4 kilometers. So that means the total distance run is 20 kilometers. And instead of passing the baton and carrying on further, what we have done is to add more interest into the event. The changing of the baton again happens back at the starting point, which is Baina. So every corporate can have their company representatives and friends and families at the starting point to support the players when they are handing over the baton.
Deputy Speaker Mawan Godino, Murmugaon MLA Milind Naik, SAG's Executive Director VM Prabhudesai, NRB Group's Nana and Nitin Bandekar and representatives of Zuari Industries were present at the press briefing. Nitin Bandekar admitted that plans were on to make the GRM a full marathon from this year, but they could not materialize.
The next year we need to organize a full marathon, that's 42 kilometers. We strive our best to do that, although this year there was a suggestion from few members that we should do the full marathon this year, but then perhaps we were not prepared to do it this year, but next year we will surely do that.
From Panji, our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Former champions East Bengal are growing in confidence in the I-League. After beating Sporting Club de Goa, coach Trevor James Morgan declared that if they get the better of Dempo Sports Club in Kolkata next, the Red and Golds will be one of the contenders for the title this season.
East Bengal had won the National League in 2003-2004. Last year, the Reds and Golds were the runners-up in the I-League. This goal on Monday gave East Bengal 3 points against Sporting Club de Goa. Coach Trevor Morgan is happy to have cut the gap on leaders Dempo Sports Club, whom they play next at home.
We knew how important it was. It was massively important for us today to win. To be able to get 3 points back on Dempo, obviously lost yesterday. You know, that closes the gap to 5, as I say. Now, with them to play next, if we can beat them in Calcutta, it closes the gap to 2 points. So it will look a little bit more achievable that we could be contesting, because to be 8 points behind after 7 or 8 games is quite a lot.
Sporting Club de Goa coach Ekendra Singh said his side just did not have any luck against East Bengal.
In my opinion, it is luck did not favour me, and the luck did not favour my players and my team. That is why, and say by a misunderstanding in the first half, in the 38th minute like this now, opponent scored 1 goal, conceded 1 goal, and with our boys and my team built up from that about 15 minutes of the first session. After scoring the goals, then we built up our team very well, and we create many good chances. Opponent also got many chances to score, but we can block very easily. And not disappointed, my boys played well, but we could not convert into goal. That is the problem to me. And we got a chance in the second session about the 25th minute. Our James Moga had it inside the goal, but the ball comes out by hitting to the goal post. And we tried many chances, but we could not convert. It is the mistake. And today we lost. I accept it, but my boys also played well. I have satisfied with their performance also, but we need to do more, work hard.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.